Being creative is not a hobby, it is a way to live. My dear students, today we are going to make this monkey with cardboard. Here I am using corrugated cardboard, that is a packing material and easily available. Cut it in the long strips with 2 cm thickness. If you don't have long strips, use small strips. Attach them at the ends with the help of tape. Keep rolling the one end and join if needed. Use tape for it. For making all the body parts of the monkey, we have to make the rolls like this. The size can vary from smaller to bigger, but the rolling process is the same. I have already made rolls for face and the body. The roll I am making is to be used as the lip area of the monkey. At the end, I will fix it with glue. This way it is ready, and now I am placing it how to fix. This is mouth and this is the body part. Now we have to make ears. For making ears, again I am going to first cut the sheet in 2 cm thickness. You can cut all the sheets in one time only so that your work should be easy. Now for making ears, we will make roll from one end, and after getting the desired size, we will cut it and fix it with the glue. To give it a perfect shape, flatten it from one side. Same way, make the other ear. Now you can see, after placing the pieces, we can get the shape of the monkey. Now holding it, you have to press it from the back side so that you can get a curvy shape like this. Same I will repeat with the face area and the tummy part. Here you can see that the tummy part of the monkey is looking thin, so I am making it thick by attaching a strip and giving it more 2-3 rolls. Now we are going to fix the body parts. This I am gluing the head with the body. Here I am going to fix the lip area of the monkey. Apply glue to fix the edges. For ears, we have to press it inside and then apply glue and fix it. Same to repeat with the other ear also. Make arms of the monkey as I am making here. After folding the cardboard, you will be able to make the fingers. After preparing the arms, fix them. After taking the proper length, fold the cardboard, fix it, and at the one end, fix the small roll. Repeat it with the other leg also. After preparing the legs and attaching fingers to it, fix it to the body. Give it sufficient time to dry. Color your monkey as you want. Here I have used white and black color. White at the center part and black at the outer lining. Do not do coloring in a hurry. Give it sufficient time. After completing the color, you have to fix eyes, nose and lips. I have cut the eyes, nose and lips with the paper. You can use googly eyes if you have. After fixing the eyes, nose and lips, tie a bow on the neck. Fix a loop at the back side of the monkey, and now your monkey is ready to be hanged.